Yeah, the next one is girls under 21. And the one we are really building up here is Kirti Bhoide. First look, Kirti Bhoide, Khelo India Youth Games. We saw Avantika Narale, Nisar Ahmed. First season, second season, we got new athletes. And is this a star in the making? That is 507. Siddhi Hirai, also from Maharashtra. 504, Kirti Bhoide. Another one of those athletes who is physically built like Allyson Felix. And we spoke about Kirti on the pre-show, and we are all excited to say, of course, this is just the heat. The finals are later this evening, but the first glimpse, and let's see what's in the tank.
As always, preparations for that matter so much more. We've already seen 2 false starts from the start. One that happened to Ankit. Ankit was the favorite to win that one. But अब हम आ गए हैं 100-meter run, heat 1, under 21 girls. NC Sojan, Priyanka Das, Siddhi Hirai, Sanjay Hirai और वो नाम जिसका आप बार बार जिक्र कर रहे थे, प्री शो में भी हमने इसका बिल्डअप किया था, कीर्ति संजय भोईते, महाराष्ट्र से, लेन नंबर 8, जर्सी नंबर 504, अंडर 21 गर्ल्स, 100 मीटर. क्या आप मैस्कॉट से तेज अभी भाग सकते हैं?
I would feel so. I think that's a good question there. Looks fast, that mascot, I have to say. So
खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम्स के 2 मैस्कॉट्स, जया और विजया.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next event on the track is 100 meter girls under 21 heats, and we are going to present the competitors of heat 1. Bib number 386, Ansi Sojan of Kerala. Lane 6, 101, Priyanka Das of Andaman and Nicobar. Lane 7, 507, Siddhi Hirai of Maharashtra. And lane 8, 504, Kirti Sanjay Bhoide of Maharashtra.
So we've got 4 competitors here. You've got NC Sojan from Kerala, lane 5, Priyanka Das from Andaman and Nicobar, lane 6, Siddhi, lane 7, and the favorite to win this one, Kirti Bhoide, lane number 8, jersey number 504. On your marks is the first cue that they get. Second that they get is set. The third is the sound of the pistol.
really excited for this one, I really am.
Khelo India Youth Games, topped up, laced up with excitement. Kirti, lane 8. Ansi lane 5, Priyanka lane 6, Siddhi lane 7, Kirti lane 8. She is not the one. In fact, it is Ansi. Is she running it? Yes, she is running it, and she's got the powerful finish as well.
Ansi Sojan of Kerala has won her heat, and Kirti Bhoide, once she realized that she will be qualifying for the final, just sort of faded after 75 meters. But Ansi Sojan was focused, her form was great. And we said sprinters coming out of Kerala and Tamil Nadu just cannot be counted out. And 2 Vs from bib number 386, Ansi Sojan, who has just finished a perfect heat. Good form, good explosive speed off the blocks, and after 30 meters in what you call peak race performance, and she's absolutely spot on with her form. Long jump is also another event that Ansi Sojan participates in, and she lives up to the billing of, again, athletes from the 100 and good sprints playing in or participating in the jumps as well.
सिद्धार्थ, पैरेलल एक इवेंट चल रहा है लॉन्ग जंप भी गर्ल्स का. एनसी सोजन वहां पार्टिसिपेट कर रही थी. वहां से ब्रेक लेके यहाँ ही अब दोबारा वहां जा रही हैं, तो आप समझ सकते हैं इनका स्टेमिना भी बहुत बढ़िया है एजिलिटी के अलावा।
Yeah, absolutely. You need to sprint in a long jump as well. That's a prerequisite. Confirmation of the results. Kerala Ansi Sojan goes into the finals later this evening in first place. The favorite Kirti Sanjay Bhoite just trailed off, faded off in the last 20 meters. I'm sure she has more in the tank. And Siddhi takes third to make it to the final.